50 years in about 10. I had a good World Championships. I cashed in 4 of the events. I finished third in one of them. I got $200,000 for it, which was it was long overdue. It would have been nice to have won it, but the World Championships means everything to me. It's some people can sing, some people write, some people dance. But for me, like, poker is sort of a form of expression, because it's the only thing that I can do slightly better than most other people, so I'm kind of very limited. I know the last time I played strip poker I lost on purpose. It's quite amusing now that even though this is a game where you're supposed to take your clothes off, that a lot of the guys have decided to wear sunglasses for the final table. I'm sure this isn't a weapon just for what it is. Maybe they've watched too much TV, but I can assure them this is not an item that'll be considered in the overall thing. But it goes to show how seriously people are taking these events. Like, normally in poker you only get the top pros wearing sunglasses. Capman, the only man with no shades, has made a serious move. He was probably forced from the blinds. He's got the classic in a lot of shit hand, 2-3 against the ace queen. Oh God, he's pretty unlucky. He's flopped a pair of threes, but the guy with the towel with the ace queen has flopped a queen. Catman needs a 2 or 3 to get out of. Oh my God, 3 queens. We've just had a huge big all-in from Michael McFadden. He's a little unlucky, but I think he's run into a shorter stack. They could be playing for way more than 10,000 here. There could be movie careers at stakes. Sometimes it comes down to who wants to win rather than who's scared to lose. The flop is queen, 3, 5, 5. There's a bit of hope for the 2-4 here. The man that could stay in the tournament with his 7. No. The flop has come. Ace, 8, 8. Fabio fans are going bananas. It's coming. Only a jack can lose it from here. Ace, 8, 8, king. The final card to 7. Fabio has finally had a little bit of luck at the last table.
After a flop like they have to wonder is Fabio's name on the cup. What a jammy play there.
And if John's king of spades and 2 of spades win, I think he's going to win the whole lot. The flop is 7, 7, 4, 2 hearts. There's unbelievably a 4th heart on the turn. David has hit a flush. But you can take nothing away from the way this guy has played. Probably the people's champion. Table after table after table, and it comes down to 2. This is the toughest poker ever gets. It's maybe the toughest examination as a human being that you're ever going to come across. And, it doesn't seem fair sometimes that one guy has to lose, but this is what poker's all about. Sometimes it comes down to guts, and sometimes it just comes down to the cards. It's not just a 10,000 sterling check.
I'm completely mentally and physically exhausted. I just came along for a laugh and to write an article about it. I'm a freelance journalist. When I got to the final table,
even though I was chip leader, I didn't fancy my chances. The blinds were going up. No, I didn't think I was going to get far, but heads up, yeah, I had the momentum and I thought I was going to win.
The moral dilemma was we were going to give you the opportunity to donate the whole lot to charity. What I'm going to do instead, make it a bit easier for you. I think you deserve the 10 grand regardless. So what we're going to do is, John, we're going to give 10 grand to the charity of your choice if you take off your towel now and show us what you're made of. Come on. Now you take the lot off, you take the lot off. For 10 grand for charity. Come on, it's worth it. Come on, it's worth it, John. Get him off here. Come on, get him off. Up, 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 up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hang on. That's 5 grand. If you want the other 5 grand, to the front. Come on, come on. Come on, John, for charity. Paddy World Strip Poker Champion. Well done, John. Come on. Fair play to you, boy. I tell you, fair play to you. You deserve every penny of it. I have to give you the trophy as well. I nearly forgotten the excitement. Our specially commissioned Golden Fig Leaf Trophy. Congratulations, John. You're a stalwart. Well done. Big round of applause for John. John, do you have a charity in mind for the 10 grand?
Sorry?
Do you have a charity in mind for the 10 grand?
Cancer research.
Cancer research gets 10,000 thanks to John. Good man. And I also want to say a special thank you to the venue. The Cafe Royal was great. I want to thank Amanda, and I also want to thank Mags, the tournament director and the floor manager. I want to thank all the dealers from the Cut Shot Club. They were brilliant. But most of all, I want to thank every single person who took part today in this new and official Guinness World Record for the biggest ever World Strip Poker Championships, and we'll be back next year for more.